Well, hey guys, and welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, I got a product here that I think a lot of you will like, and I bought this for myself because I needed a drill. My old drill, which is almost 20 years old, is a Black & Decker. Now, this thing has been a very good drill. It's the ones with the great big battery on the bottom, but the problem is it's always been really big and really heavy, kind of hard to work with one hand for very long if you're working on a lot of products. And as you can see, it's now got tape all over the handle because I dropped it off my ladder. I had two batteries. One battery went completely dead. This battery now doesn't hold a charge very long, so I have to recharge it all the time. And the chuck got worn out on it finally. So I needed a new drill, and I wanted to look at one that was a variable speed drill. This is not a variable speed drill, which means it's always full on or full off. And it's just kind of hard to work with. I still like the Black & Decker brand, don't get me wrong. Black & Decker makes excellent tools, but I wanted to look at something, also they're pretty expensive, and I wanted to look at something maybe a little bit less expensive, but had more features. So, now these new drills, which I'm going to show you here, this is made by Deco, that's D-E-K-O. As you can see, it's a lot smaller. The battery, which I'll pull off here, the battery is about half the size, but it actually has as much. This is a 20 volt battery, where that other drill is only an 18 volt. It has more power. They make them smaller now because they use the packets instead of the cells for the lithium batteries, so they can get more power in a small amount of space. And you can get an extra battery for this. This is 20 volt with 40 Newton meters of torque. It has 18 torque settings on the top, so you can set it for use for torque. It is a variable speed drill, so what that means is you can just barely push the drill button, and you'll get just a little bit of power if you're trying to start a screw, which makes a big difference. That old drill, it automatically hits it too hard. A lot of times the screw would flip out. With this one here, you can just barely bump it, and it will start the screw, and then you can go all the way in to screw it in. It also has like I said, it has the torque settings, so you can set it so that it won't over drill, which is a big problem when you're working with wood, especially expensive wood or something. You don't want to over drill a drill. You don't want to snap the head off of the screw, or you don't want to drive it in too deep. This is variable speed, and also has the torque settings, so you can set it so you don't overdrive your screws in. I like the size, much handier. I just used this to put up all my plastic on my solarium porch. I was able to do that in an hour with this thing, and it was very comfortable to work with one hand, because I was up on top of a ladder having to do a lot of screwing and stuff like that. It also does come with, it is rechargeable, so there's your charging cable. It comes with that. It also includes a lot of these different a lot of these different screw heads. It includes all the different types of screw heads, flathead screws, screw heads, and an extender. It's got, like, I think probably 10 or 12 different screw bits in there, good quality screw bits. And it also includes drills. Also includes the drill bits. It includes, looks like 6. Probably all wood. I don't think there are any metal ones in there, but there are different sizes of different drill bits. It includes all of that. Now, the good thing is, this is also really affordable. These drills right now, especially if it's on a Black Friday deal, which it is right now, you can get this for under $30, okay? I paid less than $30 for mine when I got it a couple months ago. I've already used it a lot. I really like the fact it charges up fast, holds the charge. You can get a second battery, which I'd recommend if you do a lot of work with these. And I think for people, if you're doing a lot of work where you have to be above your head or something like this, a drill like this that is a smaller version that still has even more power than the old drills, I would really look at this. Now, this does have reverse and auto. You can pull drill bits, or you can pull screws back out as well as drive them in, and use it for drilling into wood or metal or anything like that. I would say this is a medium workload drill. It's not a heavy duty drill if you're doing lots and lots of construction, but for everyday projects around your house, I would say this is a really good deal. Now, this is again made by Deco. That's D-E-K-O. It is a 20 volt with 40 Newton meters. And you can go and look at that. I'll put the link down in there in the information. Go take a look at those. You know, Christmas is coming up. You got someone in your house that does a lot of work and needs a drill. I would recommend this. I've used it a lot already. It has held up very well. Oh, and it also has a light, as you can see down there when you turn it on, which makes it really easy if you're down in a dark corner and you can't see what you're doing. You don't want to be holding a flashlight and trying to drill at the same time. It's got a built-in light so you can see what you're doing. Nice feature. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a great day.